Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. A very happy new year to you all guys. Taurus, I hope this year brings lots of happiness, prosperity and success in everyone's lives. So let's start the reading with this happy intention guys. For your daily reading Taurus, we'll be picking few cards guys. For your relationship, it is going to be like a pick a card. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can think of the questions that you have in your mind before choosing the pile guys. So that way you will be able to pick the right pile, and I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. Taurus, so let's start with your daily reading first guys. It's the Chariot, Knight of Pentacles in reverse and Ace of Wands. So with these cards guys, in your situation today, these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation guys. So with these cards, I see that you have sharpened your focus and your attention is on something. It may be on your goals or on your path. It may be something to do with your career. So you have that unwavering trust and hope on certain things, and you are expecting certain results maybe, and you are in a good position in your life today guys. Maybe you are in an important position today. You may be a team leader or manager, someone who holds great authority in their work, and you are the important person to make some important decisions. So huge responsibility rests on your shoulders, and you are focused. You have that clear intent what you need to do today Taurus. So that is what I see. Maybe you are planning things out for your future, planning your future path, your actions. And I also see that in your career or in your personal life, there is something new coming your way, something like an adventure. It may be this new connection with this person, or it may be some new job opportunity which is challenging you in every way possible, challenging your skills and talents, and which is boosting your confidence and courage, because you will be able to handle this situation beautifully guys. So that is what I see with this card. And also guys, maybe for some of you, you just want to take rest maybe today. Some kind of resting energy is also what I see. Maybe you are quite tired because of these responsibilities you have, or you just want to take time, think before you act. And I see that Taurus, things are slowly beginning to fall into place guys. These may be something to do with your career or personal life. That is what I see with these cards guys. For your love reading, stay tuned for that pick a card that is coming up right now Taurus. For your love reading guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first pile, this is the second pile, and this is the third pile. So whatever questions you have regarding your connection, you can think about it, meditate for a few seconds in silence. Then we will start with the first card guys. I'll start with the first card. So as soon as you open your eyes, choose the pile that comes to you first. So I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions guys. So let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence guys. Okay guys, so let's start with the first pile. It's Ace of Spheres, the Chariot, Magician in reverse. So for those who have chosen this first deck, in your situation today guys, maybe in your relationship you would have had some troubles or some quarrels in the past, some kinds of arguments, misunderstandings. So you would have felt really emotional and you would have felt really stressed, impulsive to go and do something, and you would have reacted a lot. But with these cards I see that you are trying to understand your situation, understand your needs and your what is there in your heart, and you are able to find that balance in your situation. So you are trying to balance your emotions, balance the way you behave with this person, trying to bring that harmony in this connection guys. And you would have had some different view about this person, some kind of illusion about them. That was the reason for these troubles in your situation guys. So you were thinking of them as something different, but when they reveal that true picture to you, you did not find it appealing maybe, and that may be the reason for the stress. But I see that things are beginning to fall into place in this connection for you guys. So all that troubles that you were facing, you are trying to find that understanding, understand your emotions and understand your true wishes that are there in your heart, and you are moving forward in this emotional journey, and you are progressing towards that happiness and contentment in this connection guys. So you are moving towards that lucky part of your connection. All that negative impact that you had till now is going to simply disappear, and you're moving towards a very good phase in this connection guys. So a better understanding and love with this person. So that is what I see with these cards guys, for those who have chosen this first deck. Thank you for watching this video guys. If it resonates, please like and comment. So let's start with the second card guys. Second cards that we have chosen. For those who have chosen the second deck, it's Page of Air, Magician and Six of Fire. So with these cards guys, in your situation today, you have that deep commitment towards this person. You are responsible for this connection, and you are trying to make things work beautifully in this connection, putting your skills and talents. And maybe with this person you are trying to build that understanding and love, a deeper meaningful connection. So you are being really curious today to find out about this person, find out whether this person is the person for you, and you are trying to understand the things that you don't know about them, interesting things that you don't know about them, and you are exploring this connection, how this person is, and how you can what is that common thing between you both to build that understanding. So you are making lot of efforts for this connection and you love this person. That is what I see guys. and this relationship is transforming into something really beautiful. You are building that trust with this person, confidence with this person. This person really feels confident about you and they love you, and they feel that you are a very knowledgeable, intelligent person who influences them in a very good way. And I also see that with this person you have that inspiration, you feel that inspiration to be with them. So some kind of intuition guiding you towards this person, guys. That is what I see. Maybe for those who have chosen this deck, I see that you are in a new relationship and you are trying to build that understanding and love with this person. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start with the third card. For those who have chosen this deck, I will turn the cards. It's 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, and Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, I see that you are having some troubles in your situation, something worrying you, stressing you a lot. You may feel quite lonely and troubled because of that, and maybe things are going in a very uncontrollable way in your connection, maybe because of some arguments or because of some stressful things that has happened, and you feel that you have too many responsibilities and this person is not responsible like you, and you would have felt a great attraction and love towards them, and they did not reciprocate it for some of you. So you may feel a satisfaction because all that imagination that you are having about them, all that is coming to an end, and you see things with clarity today. Maybe I see with these cards, guys, for some of you, things may quickly come to an end between you and this person. They may move out all of a sudden. They may move out of this connection, move out of your life all of a sudden, and things are going downhill in this connection. But I also see that you are getting that understanding that this connection may not work, and it is for the better that you are not taking those efforts to mend things in this connection, guys. Maybe it may not be worth it for some of you, and for some of you I see that you are simply tired and you feel that your life is ruined and too much to bear for you, too much pain to bear to get back with this person, guys. And I also see that you may be to get over the stress, you may turn yourself to shopping, some kind of shopping you may be doing to get over the stress of the separation. And I see things are going maybe it is inevitable in this connection, guys, that you are finding it difficult to repair the negative things in this connection. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.